Trans-Africa Motors has been a major player in the motor industry. We started off as a standard motor dealer, but now we are very happy to say that we also assemble these units locally for the past now almost 10 years. We've been able to have big clients like D&A Holiers, who has a unit that has clocked more than 1 million now.
Okay, so the two trucks which you mentioned, those are the old model trucks, the CA 4181 models. And if I'm not wrong, those are the first Chinese trucks at that time in the country, and beautiful trucks in terms of performance, in terms of longevity, including durability. There are places this truck has gone where I don't think most trucks can go. So the durability is on point, the powertrain, drivetrain, chassis, everything is on point.
Nimeendesha FAW for about 4 years. Sijaipata shida yote. Kuachieve hiyo 1 million kilometers sio kitu rahisi kwa gari zingine, lakini FAW imeachieve hiyo kilometers.
Kwa majina ni Ben Makori, mechanic D&A. Hapa tuko na FAW 380 horsepower of which kwa kufikisha hii 1 million kilometer so far hatujafungua engine, hatujafungua gearbox, hata diff hatujafungua. Sasa ukitaka hii gari idumu mzuri, unaenda from the dealer, unaenda kama ni kwa FAW unanunua the genuine parts kutoka FAW. Hiyo ndio recommendation ya hii gari.
This truck that we are talking about today, 1 million plus kilometers. It's a KCT. This truck has been running now for the past 7 years. It was able to achieve this mileage mainly because of our after-sales service. I'm very happy to be part and parcel of that growth and to be able to give this service to our clients. And we are going to be able to achieve this with many other clients because of our close relations and good after-sales service.
In fact, the truck is going even as it's here for obviously this this event, but otherwise it's going for work. And it has been working. There is no issue we've ever had. And in fact, even if there is a minor issue, this truck can be sorted on the road within a few minutes. That is the beauty, because it's simple truck. There's nothing complicated where it can affect downtime, especially for a transport company like us. We want to reduce that. This truck works the best.
So I recommend FAW in this field of transport.
Ni gari nzuri sana hii ya kasi.
It is not me, it is my team, it is my customers who have allowed me to reach this milestone with this truck. So I'm really appreciative of them, as well as I'm appreciative to Trans-Africa Motors for giving us the support, maintenance-wise, parts-wise, to even reach these kilometers.
We've been around for the past 21 years and we want to celebrate everyone who would like to join us and be part and parcel of this big branch. Karibuni sana.